So I'm using this KT Quick Kinesio tape to tape up my right knee before I go for a bike ride today. Now, one pro tip that I recommend is to go ahead and tear these little pieces here. So if you do this ahead of time, it's easier to manage the tape. You see how they roll up nicely for you, just like that. And you want to try not to touch the tape. That's one of the keys. So this first piece is going to go just below your kneecap. So gotten these pieces off here. Now it takes a little practice to not touch the tape, but that's the goal, is try not to touch the tape. There we go. And as you do this, you'll get better with it, and you'll get it just the way you want it. Now it doesn't take much stretch. Oh yeah, that's good. Perfect. Oh, and I got it right where I want it. So it's just, there's the bottom of my kneecap. I'm right over my patella tendon. It's where you want to be. Your patella tendon is a kind of a sensitive area. You've seen those straps that people use. It's just a little compression of your patella tendon. It's, I don't know how to explain it physiologically, but it gives your kneecap a little support. It helps with tracking. It just feels better. So next you want to take one of the middle straps and you want to do a little stretch, about maybe 30%, and then I like to roll off the end and then make sure it's sticking well. And then you'll take the next strap and you're going to come around and you're just going to cross over the top of that one. And you see how my kneecap is centered right in there. It's perfect. Okay, now let's go. So for me, I get some lateral knee pain when I'm cycling, so I'm going to go from this outside here for the next strap. Same idea, going to give it about 30% stretch. Oh yeah, and right away I can feel the support. This tape, kind of the idea behind it is like when you hit your elbow and you want to hold it, and that sensory input of holding it makes it feel better. That's a big part of what this tape does, is it just creates like a comforting effect for your body. And then I'm going to bring this last piece around. Aha, pretty slick. And I can tell you, just by putting this tape on, my knee feels supported. And it's such a lightweight kind of support. It doesn't restrict your movement. It just feels good. Now you can see I'm kind of rubbing it in, making sure it's activated. The adhesive is activated by the heat, or by heat. So when you rub it in, it activates it. Doesn't that look amazing? And that's the benefit of the pre-cut tape. I couldn't create this with scissors. There's just no way. It's pretty slick. Now here's a final pro tip. When you put your cycling shorts back down, be careful. Try not to rub the tape and roll up the edges. Hot dog. I'm ready to go for a bike ride. This tape is pretty awesome. I recommend it.